grief. Good grief. Oh, man. Good grief. Good grief. No, it doesn't roll your window up. Good grief. Good grief. Oh, man. Good grief. I about had enough of this. Good grief. Mama's about had enough of that. That's rough. Oh, man. Good grief. Oh, I wish this stuff would stop. Oh, man. Glad they didn't hear me. Scare them after that. Scare me after that. Oh, man. Whew. Good grief. Do you need anything for the cats? Huh? Yay, nay. Guess not. We're just passing it. Okay. Whew. Booger. Good grief. Oh, man. That takes a lot out of you sometimes. Whew. Good grief. Oh, man. Good grief. All right, stop. Stop. Stop that. Stop that. Where's that from? Charlotte's Web. Good grief. I think it's Charlotte's Web too, not here. No, good grief. Well, it sounded like that car had gas. Not the tank, but the tank. Good grief. You just can't make this stuff up. Good grief. Oh. Good grief. Oh, I hope that's it. I hope that's it. No. Oh, man. Good grief. Sound like a screech owl. Good grief. Whew. Oh man, I wish these things would stop. Ooh, it hurts. Oh, have mercy. Good grief. Good grief. Bet Charlie Brown would be proud of me with using his phrase. Good grief. Man. Good grief.
My goodness.
I know. I'm having a major case here. I haven't had this bad in a long time. I can't stand it when I'm in the middle of a sentence or middle of a word and I do it. Oh man. Good grief. Whew. Oh, about make my eyes water. Good grief. Good grief. Whew. Ooh, that almost came out. Whew. You're a mess, child. Oh, man. Good grief. Good grief. Oh. Good grief. Good grief. All right, I can stop now. Good grief. Good grief. Good grief. Not beat all. All right, you. Good grief. Good grief. I tried to close my mouth so it wouldn't come out, but oh man, that made it worse. Good grief. Good grief. Oh man. Good grief. I haven't had it this bad in a while.
It's been a long time.
Good
Goodness.
grief, I know.
It's been a long time.
It has been. Whew. Good
Goodness.
grief. Whew.
Headache?
giving me a headache. Good grief.
You okay?
Yep. Yeah, it's just giving me a little bit of a headache.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm fine, honey.
Goodness.
Oh no. I guess it's a strain on the brain. Good grief. Whew. That's a first. That is definitely a first. Good grief. Whew. Oh man. Oh, I hope it's that. I hope that's good. No. Whew. Good grief. Stop it. I wish there was a way we could turn that off. I know you're enjoying it, but... Ooh. Oh, poor turtle. Like he got squashed. Good grief. Good grief. It's probably a 4-window buster. Good grief.
What was that?
That was one of those hiccups in the middle of a laugh. Good grief. I had enough of this mess. I have had enough of that mess. Whew. Oh, I think that's it. Oh, I hope that's it. Please let it be it. Oh, good grief. Ow. Ooh. Well, at least it's slowing up a little bit. Maybe it's gonna stop. I spoke too soon. Oh, man. Good grief. Woo! Good grief. Oh, man. Good grief. Oh. Good grief. Mr. Finger. Good grief. That thing needs to let up. Good grief. Here we go. Now it's now around my neck. Come on. I haven't had it this bad in a long time. Good grief. Stop it.